Hello students, my name is Nadeem and I am your instructor for this new course. In this new course, we will discuss about how to rank up your Fiverr gig. Many people are asking from me that how to rank their Fiverr gig, because many people do create their gigs in Fiverr but they didn't know how to rank up the gigs. So now today in this course we will be doing this. First of all, we'll be going to check what is Fiverr. So now Fiverr is a marketplace where different people came. If they have any skill, they go and just create a gig and sell their skills. For example, skill can be of different types, means video editing, video and animation. So video and animation means video editing, whiteboard videos or any animated videos. Graphic and design means graphical designing like logo designing, banner designing, flyer designing, digital marketing, for example email marketing, for example different sorts of social marketing as well. Writing and translation means writing an article, content writing for a website, and translation can be of different languages. Music and audio means music and audio means poems and jingles. Programming and tech means different sort of programming, for example web programming, mobile app development, and other. Business. So what is business? In business we can count different sort of things. And then lifestyle and fun. In lifestyle and fun we can take a gym leader who have a skill of workout, so he will show you workout. The minimum price of this of your own service will be of $5 and the maximum will be $995. So let us go and check what is the problem. So problem is that many people create gigs on Fiverr but they don't have orders. This is the most difficult problem. I also faced it, but now I have a way how to sort it. This problem is for everyone, beginners and intermediates. Beginners who created the gigs in nowadays, and intermediate are those people who have created the gigs but don't have any order for 2 to 3 months. But now you don't have to worry, because I have got the solution, and the solution is optimization. Optimization means making clear your gig and SEO optimized. Optimization can be of different types, means by username, of title, description and tags. The tags are very important. We will be discussing it in the next coming lectures. So goodbye. See you in the next lecture.